playing with our ball and our eagle today. Yes. And Adler likes to try to eat his ball. Is it tasty? Is it tasty, Adler? Are you blowing bubbles for us? Can you say hello? Are you going to be shy? You're not shy. Tell me how it is. What do you think today? Yeah? Yeah? Hey, buddy, what do you think? What do you think? You think you want to eat your ball? Okay. Okay, that's okay. You can eat your ball. Can I have a big smile? Can Mama have a big smile? A big smile. A big smile.